So this is a day in the life of an IT technician. I decided to do my day, get my shoes on, and get everything in the truck so I can go to Vicksburg so I can get this job done where I'm going to wire up a building. This is me going in the building, getting all my stuff out of the truck. This is the network closet that I'm going to be running the wires to. This is what we're doing. I forgot some stuff, so I had to go to Home Depot. This is me going to Home Depot. Got my tools that I forgot, and this is me going and putting stuff in the truck. And then I thought this was cool. Yeah, it really isn't. So this is me finding a stud. So I'm going to put a a jack in there. And this is the process of doing that. I used a grease pencil because it's all I had. Definitely use a pencil because it doesn't leave any ugly marks. And you'll see what I'm talking about later. So I'm in the attic right now. It's very hot up there and it's very tall. This is me trying to get the cable in, and this is me just trying to get that in there right there. Then it's me realizing that the walls are very big. They're 30-foot walls. So yeah, me cleaning up because you don't want to leave a mess. And this is see the little black mark up there? That's the grease paint or whatever. Me getting in the truck, going home. And yeah, just enjoying my time off. I got some red beans and rice. It was very hot. So yeah, that was no. And then that's me going to bed. And yeah, hopefully we can do this later. Have a good day.